Today we are going over the leak parking lot sale for March at Harbor Freight. That's coming up next here on Jesse B. Gear. Welcome back, everybody, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you like videos like this. First off, I gotta say, I always love the parking lot sales, and I like doing them. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to go over the main part of the sale here, because this is a leaked version of it. I'm not going to go anything in the yellow ribbons, because that's common stuff that's always on sale. We're just going to go over the main parts of it, and there's 4 pages of it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, we're just going to start right off here with the big bad boys that we got going on here. And the very first one is 35% off all Icon and Quinn sockets. Basically, these are going to be the sets. I think they're going to do individual sockets too, but don't hold me to it. They are showing the sets here, and both Quinn and Icon have very nice socket sets, and they are very complete, and this is a great sale on those. Then we're going to move over here to 30% off of all bottle jacks. These are very handy to have for certain situations. Very nice on that. Then we have 25% off all US General carts. This is a great time to buy this stuff up right now. 25% off. I have the 5-drawer tool cart. I absolutely love it. I would love to get the 34-inch, but unfortunately right now, by the time this sale's going on, I don't have the extra money to snag it up. But if I had the money, I would be snagging up the 34-inch one, because I've been wanting that. And for you guys that want the bigger ones, that's a great deal also. I know right now they're running 20% off if you watch the ITC thing for Friday. But if you guys miss that, then this is going to be a way better deal than that anyway. So I would hold off and actually wait till the parking lot sale. Then we have 30% off of all jack stands. That is great. I just picked me up some Daytona ones. I think I did 25% off on mine. So this is an even better deal on that. But that's all right. As long as I get myself on sale, I'm happy. But right now, this is a great sale on that. And then we're going to move over to 20% off of the Atlas, Bauer, and Portland outdoor power tools. Spring's coming up. You need to get some yard work done. I know in Northwest Ohio, winter was kind of harsh this year. I got a tree down out back. I will be getting my Bauer chainsaw out, using that to cut that tree up. And now is going to be a good time to get them with this sale going on. All right, next up we got here is the Badlands 12,000-pound truck and SUV winch with the wire rope. Not a bad deal at all at $70 off at $279.99. That is a pretty good buy on that. Then what we have here is the Braun 500 Lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar flashlight for $14.99, 50% off. That is a smoking deal. I have the old version of this and really like it. I might have to snag this one up for that price. Then we got the Pittsburgh 1.5 ton low profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump, $84.99. $20 off on that, $25 off on that, sorry. That is a great deal. Then we got a Predator 2500 watt super quiet inverter generator. This is very nice for $499.99, saving you $130. That is another good deal. Then starting off this row, we got a brand new item here from Maddox. We got the MR14 4.3-inch screen OBD2 code reader. This is going to be $164.99, saving you 35% off. That's not too bad of a deal. And then next up, we have a Yukon 5-tier shelf. This one is a very nice 36-inch by 18-inch by 72-inch, 33% off, $39.99. That is another smoking deal. Then we've got the Viking 1000 peak amp lithium ion jumpstart and power bank. Very good multi-purpose tool right here. You're looking at saving 22% off at $69.99. Not a bad deal at all on that. And then we've got the titanium 36-inch by 24-inch modular welding table with welding flip kit, or fit up kit, sorry. And this was going to be $139.99, $50 off. That is a great deal. Let's take a look at page 2. Now looking at page 2, we got some Predator stuff here. We've got the 9500 watt super quiet inverter generator. This one is going to be $1,699.99, $300 off. That is a great deal on that. Then we're going to move over to the 5000 watt dual fuel generator here. This one is going to be $799.99, $300 off. That is another smoking deal. Then over here we have the 2-inch 212cc gasoline engine. This one's going to be the semi-trash and water pump. This one's going to be $70 off at $219.99. And then right now, if you guys are looking at doing a go-kart or anything, this would be a great time to pick this up. We got the 6.5 horsepower 212 Predator overhead valve engine. The Predator engines are a copy of a Honda, so they're very nice. You're looking at $119.99, saving you $30 off. Next up here, we have a 15 amp Hercules breaker hammer with maximum vibration control. This one is $100 off at $549.99. Good deal on that. Then we got the 9 amp variable speed surface conditioning tool, $40 off for $99.99. That's a pretty good deal on that. Then we have the 550 pound universal aluminum mobile folding miter saw stand, $30 off for $139.99. I guess that's an alright deal on that one. And then we're going to move over to the Admiral 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw with LED and laser guide, $40 off for $199.99. Alright, now we did the Hercules and now we got the Bauer going on. So the first thing we got here is a 5 amp 9-inch variable speed drywall sander, $40 off at $109.99. Then we have the 10 amp variable speed reciprocating saw, 18% off at $44.99. Now we got the 5.7 amp 6-inch short throw random orbital polisher sander for 38% off at $39.99. That is a good deal. And then we got a vacuum here, the 3-gallon one. I have a Craftsman version of this and really like it. This Bauer one would probably be good too. 25% off at $29.99. Then we have the 23-foot automatic feed handheld electric drain cleaner. This one's $25 off at $74.99. And then we have a 8-volt cordless variable speed rotary toolkit, 40 piece, 30% off. That is going to be $34.99. And then they got, buy a Bauer starter kit, you get the battery and the charger for $99.99, and you get a free tool, and all the free tools are right here. Not a bad deal at all if you want to get into some Bauer cordless tools, and that is a good battery that's coming with it too, so that's a good setup. Alright, and once again we go to page 3, and if you need a jack, now is the time to get a jack. Look at these smoking deals on these jacks. First, we got the 3-ton low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump from Daytona. This is going to be $129.99, saving you $70 off, and it's available in these colors. Then we're going to move over to the 4-ton Daytona professional floor jack with rapid pump. Got the same option on colors also. Got $100 off at $169.99. To me, that's probably about the best deal to go for right now. Looking at these deals, if you're looking for a bigger jack, that would be the one to go with. Then we got the 3-ton low profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump, available in all these colors, $40 off for $249.99. And then we got the Pittsburgh one. This one, don't laugh at it. A lot of people have this Pittsburgh one and absolutely love it. We got the 3-ton Pittsburgh floor jack with rapid pump, $60 off at $89.99. Not a bad deal at all. Alright, and here is a deal now for you guys. If you're looking for the tool carts, I've had people ask me when they were going to come up with it. I'm not a Harbor Freight insider or anything, so I don't get nothing early, so I couldn't tell you. So right now, this U.S. General has got some good deals going on. We got the 42-inch roll cabinet in all these colors, $70 off at $529.99. Then we got the 72-inch one here, $300 off at $1,499.99. Smoking deals on those. Then we got a couple of things here from Vikings. We've got the 1000 peak amp jump starter and power pack. This one also has the 130 psi air compressor, $25 off for $74.99. Then we got the 2000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter and power bank, $40 off for $99.99. Now at the bottom part of this page we have a Hallmaster 2-ball adjustable aluminum hitch, 6-inch drop, 6-inch rise. This is going to be $9.99, $40 off. Then we got the Badlands 1000-pound UTV power sport winch with automatic load holding brake, which comes in very handy, for $154.99, saving you 25% off. And then we got the liquidation sale that always goes on, up to 72% off. A lot of this I think is the stuff that's like in my store. It's in the far back corner. It's ones with missing pieces from when they warrantied stuff out. And then they might have some other stuff back there Now is the time to get them with this deal going on. Then we're going to move over to Icon lifetime replacement stuff. We have a multi-spline screw extractor set, 25 piece, 28% off at $49.99. Not a bad deal on that, and these do have a lifetime replacement. And the one thing I see so far that I'm going to have to go buy, I've been wanting this master brake caliper set, 20 piece, 28% off at $49.99. Lifetime replacement. Right now, I'm lacking a little bit on my rear brake caliper stuff. I just have that little square that goes on a ratchet. It works all right, but it's not very good. And then I use a C-clamp. I want to get this set right here because this looks a lot better, and I think now's going to be the time to buy it when they have this deal. Then we got a Quinn 3/8 inch drive, 5 to 100 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench, $40 off for $129.99. And then we got a Pittsburgh lifetime replacement mechanics tool set, 225 piece, $40 off for $99.99. Sorry, that is a good deal. And then we got the 12 volt LED trailer light kit, 25% off. That's going to be $29.99. Let's check out the last page. Now, starting off the last page here, we have the titanium MIG 170 professional welder with 120 and 240 volt input, $399.99, saving you $150 off. Not bad at all. Then we got a Vulcan auto darkening welding helmet for $40 off at $99.99. Then we got a Chicago Electric if you're looking for one that's a little bit cheaper. Auto darkening, 25% off at $29.99. And then we got some more Braun lights here. They've been doing a lot of Braun lights here lately. These are the 16,000 lumen, 4-foot linkable, and you can link up to 4 of these. Not bad at all. LED hanging shop lights for $32.99. These are 34% off. That is a great deal on that. Then starting off this row, we have an Earthquake 1/2 inch composite air impact wrench, twin hammer, 1,200 foot-pounds. That is very nice. Available in all these colors. $30 off at $89.99. And then we're going to move into some air compressors here. We got a 10-gallon, 175 PSI. This is going to be $35 off at $254.99. Then we got the 6-gallon, 175 PSI. This one is going to be $20 off at $139.99. And then we got a couple of McGraws here. We got the 3-gallon, 110 PSI oil-free light-duty air compressors. You got a pancake style here, or the hot dog, what they call. Makes me kind of hungry. 21% off at $54.99. That's a pretty good deal. Then starting off this half of the page, we got the Banks 18-gauge brand air nailer here. 33% off at $19.99. That's a pretty good deal. Then we got a Central Pneumatic 3/8 inch by 50 foot retractable rail hose. This is 27% off, $64.99. Another good deal on that one. Then we got the Merlin 3/8 inch by 50 foot rubber hybrid hose. This has got the 1/4 inch MPT fittings, 28% off for $19.99. Then we got the Avante. This is the paint and stain sprayer, 50% off at $34.99. That is a smoking deal if you need a paint sprayer right there. And then here's another smoking deal. The Apache 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case. You get them in all these colors. $50 off on that for $9.99. Not a bad deal at all. And then in the last row here, we got a Central Machinery 3.5 cubic foot cement mixer, $70 off for $199.99. Then we got a couple of things from Franklin here. We got the 30 inch by 16 2-shelf utility cart for $25 off at $74.99. Not a bad deal. And then you got the 17-foot reach type IA 300-pound multitask ladder. This one is going to be $30 off for $129.99. And we got a Doyle lifetime replacement 6-inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws. These are the ones that are nice because they got multiple points on them for different things, and I really like that about them. $50 off at $149.99. Then to finish it off here, we have a U.S. General 5-tier boltless steel garage shelving, 48 inch 24 inch by 78 inch, and this is a new item on this. $20 off at $119.99. I'd like to see a little bit more than that. So there you go. There is the leak flyer for the parking lot sale that's coming up here in March. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below on what you guys are looking forward to. The main thing I'm looking forward to is getting that icon brake set. I really need that one, so I'm probably going to pick that up. If I had the money right now, I would definitely be getting me the 34-inch tool cart. I've been wanting that, and I want that to stay stationary up against the wall because I got the 5-drawer tool cart to roll up to the vehicles. But I want to hear down below, what are you guys looking forward to? I always like hearing from you guys. Also, if you guys notice, I did leave the yellow ribbons up while I was talking about the stuff so you could look at it. But to me, that's stuff that's normally on sale, so I usually don't go over it when we do the leak parking lot sale. So as always, don't forget to check my link tree out down below. Down there I got affiliate accounts that do help out the channel. Some of them got discount codes to save you guys money. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. We are One Nation Under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.